Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor and my name is Nikita and today's recipe is Paneer Burji. It is very easy to make and it will definitely consume very less time to make also. So this Paneer Burji sabzi, you can just put it in between bread and make it as a sandwich and have it, or you can even roll it in your chapatis and you can have it as a roll.
Alright, so to make Paneer Burji, we need the following ingredients. So firstly, we will be needing about 1 tablespoon of oil. I have taken 1 big onion and I have chopped finely. About half a capsicum and I have chopped it finely. 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped finely. 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger which I have coarsely pasted it. And 2 chillies which I have chopped. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Half a tablespoon of dhaniya powder. Tablespoon of bhaji masala, salt to your taste, and about 250 grams of paneer which I have crumbled using my hand. If your paneer is hard, then you can even grate it, and some coriander leaves which I have chopped, and we'll use this for garnishing. So to make our paneer burji, first we will have to heat a pan. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in our oil to this. Heat your oil on medium or medium-high flame. Once our oil is heated, we'll first add in the ginger, garlic and the chilli. Saute the ginger, garlic and chilli till the raw aroma has gone. It should take somewhere between 20 to 30 seconds. Now we'll add in our onion. Saute the onion till it slightly changes its color and starts turning brown. So flame on medium-high if you want to. As you can see, our onions have changed their color and have slowly started turning brown in color. Add in our capsicum and saute our capsicum also. Our capsicums will not take too long to get sauteed, just about a minute. Saute it for a minute. Now we'll add in our toast. Meanwhile, we'll also add salt for sabzi now. The reason why I am adding salt here before we add the paneer and the rest of the ingredients is because if you add salt now, tomatoes will get softened much sooner and your sabzi will get prepared more sooner. In the end, when you feel that you need more salt, you can add more salt. One best thing that you can always do is keep tasting your food and keep checking if it is according to your taste. Now see, since we added salt, our tomato has become soft very soon. So at this stage, I'm going to add in the garam masala, dhaniya powder, bhaji masala. Adding bhaji masala is optional. If you don't want to be adding bhaji masala, you can also just add dhaniya powder and garam masala also. Even that will taste. But bhaji masala gives a nice taste to your normal paneer burji. After you add all the powder or the dry ingredients for your plate, add very little water to this. About 2 tablespoons of water. Close the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes. To this step, you're infusing all the masalas and everything, and tomato will become more soft. Because we've already added the dry ingredients, it is important to add water so that your dry ingredients or your masalas don't get burnt more. That is why we are just adding the dry ingredients and then adding a little bit of water and then closing the lid and letting it cook for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, take out the lid. Our mixture is cooked really well. So now we'll add in our paneer and mix it really well. Paneer burji will be best when you make paneer burji with homemade paneer. Paneer is slowly and melting down and slightly becoming cheesy and nice. So at this point of time, we'll just turn off our heat and our paneer burji is done. Now we'll get into the process of serving it into a serving bowl. We'll just garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. So there you go, our paneer burji is ready.
I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also do hit the bell icon that is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.